Now we get to something really important, dynamic positioning on the bike. How you use your body weight on the pedals, how you keep your body weight off the handlebars. So I am in a pretty big gear here. I'm in the largest chainring. Actually, I'm the largest gear on the bike. So what I want you thinking is not pushing down. If you push down, your brain says this muscle. It's learned that way too well. What I want you thinking is we're going to limit range of motion. It's going to be 45 degrees up to 45 degrees down, just where the pedal is actually going down. And rather than pushing down into it, I want you to get your body weight right over that pedal as if the pedal were stopped and fall into it. Okay? So there will be upper body movement. For every 11 inches of the pedal, I expect to see 8 inches of the torso. Okay? So fall into it. Other side comes around, fall into it. Fall into it, fall into it, fall into it. Once you get that down and you really start trusting that the pedal has enough resistance underneath you, you can get all your body weight on that pedal and you notice that all the body weight comes off the hands. It's just like sitting on the chair with your feet on the ground in front of you. If you trust the ground is solid, there's no reason to lean on the desk. Okay? So all the body weight winds up on that pedal. And this works beautifully. Next thing, what if I go to an easier gear? All of a sudden, there's weight on my hands. The reason for that, I haven't changed my dynamic one bit. I am still right over the pedal. My body weight is still on that pedal, but that pedal doesn't have the resistance to resist that force. It's falling right through the pedal, winding up on my hands. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my center of gravity and move it from here, right on top of the pedals, to here, by simply moving my hands back a little bit and moving my torso up. And all of a sudden, there's not as much motion, but it still works. If I go to a much easier gear, I'm at the tops and just pedaling smoothly. If I don't move my position and all of a sudden I go back to the harder gear, right now I'm kind of struggling through with my quads. There's no point to that. Why not get the body weight directly over the pedals and just allow the body weight to fall into the pedals? Use your body weight, use your larger muscle groups. Works pretty well.